Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little how I do my brows demo and review using this. And this is the Mia Adora On Point Pro Micro Tip Brow Definer. I would just like to say thank you so much to Mia Adora for contacting me and sending me this product. I also have a discount code for you guys. It'll be linked down below and I mention it again in the video. So if you guys want to see how I use this product and how I do my brows and hear my thoughts on this, then keep watching. Alright, this is the Mia Adora Call Me On Point Pro Micro Tip Brow Definer. Please don't mind my packaging. Mine has been very well loved. So on this end right here, you have your pencil, and this is what it looks like. It was a very nice pointy tip when I first got it. I have been using it, so that obviously got a little worn down. And then on this end, you have a spoolie, and the spoolie is really nice. I really do enjoy it. So when I do my brows, I like to obviously brush them out first, and I brush them, I guess, like towards the hairline, and then I brush down, and then I don't like screw this up all the way. This is probably as far as I will take it, just because a little bit goes a long way with this product. So I start about here, kind of where, I don't know, like what part of the eyebrow this is called. I just start here and then bring it up to where like my eyebrow would arch, because if you go like this, that's where your eyebrow would arch. And then from there, I kind of just take it down. And then what I will do is I just go in here in the front and just make little hair-like strokes. And that's it. I do like a couple. And then I'm going to brush my hairs down, all of them. And pretty much right here where it's kind of like bald, I very lightly fill in the rest of my brow. And when I get to this arch part, I ever so lightly, like I literally rest my pinky on my cheek and just ever so lightly do a little something there, like a little curve. And then I brush my brows back up. And then I kind of just fill in also like where it looks very sparse, because my brows are very sparse. They're very messed up as well, because I got them waxed once and the lady messed them up. So now I just kind of go in with the spoolie and I brush up in the front, just so it looks a little more natural. And then I brush to the side again and then down. I kind of do like the same movement. And then I know it's like a little messy here. I'm gonna clean that up in a minute. So I'm just gonna do the other eye and then I will clean them up. While we're on the subject of brows, I thought I would just show you also how I groom them before I kind of like carve them, because this just works better, obviously, because it's very hard to groom them when there's concealer and foundation there. So I use this little brow razor. I got it from Walmart. It's literally a great value brand. I've been meaning to mention these on my channel so many times and I just always forget. I'm a great YouTuber. So what I do is, you don't want to go down because it doesn't go up. So you want to go in the opposite direction of how your hair grows. So I just go like this, and you kind of just like lean it on a little angle and just shave your brows away. I also have a straight razor from when I was in cosmetology school that I've been dying to try this with, but I don't have the blades for a straight razor, so there's that. And then I just do the same on top. It's a little scary looking, but I really like how my brows look. And I use this like all over my face too. I use it for my above my lip and all that. And then I'm just gonna do it to the other side. And I like to groom my brows after I fill them in because that way I can see what hairs need to go. And this literally takes like a couple minutes. So much easier than plucking. To carve my brows out, I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Contour and Concealing Palette. And I'm going to mix these two shades right here. These two very well loved shades. So I just go in with this little BH Cosmetics eyeshadow brush and I just really mix the two shades together on the brush like that. And I go on this side that doesn't have all the product, so all the product just isn't laying there. And I really just kind of do the same thing as how I fill them in. And then when I get to the top, I hold my brush like this. And then I kind of blend the concealer together so it meets at like a point. And I also blend it out like this. It always looks really bad at first, obviously, and then I blend it down. Sometimes I'll even take it down onto my eyelid and that'll be the primer that I'm using for the day. And then to blend out the concealer, I'm going to use this like little stipple dome brush from Sonia Kashuk. It does not have a name. And this brush just fits perfectly for your eyebrow, I personally think. So this is what my brows look like once I carve them out. I know they don't look the same. That is because this one is the one that got messed up when I was getting waxed and it just never grew back the same. So I try to get them as like similar as I could possibly get them. They're not twins. They're like distant cousins, like twice removed. To set these brows, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Precise Fiber Volumizer. I just like to add this because it really helps set the brows. Like I said, it's really good for that, and it just also adds like a little more volume to my brows to make them look not so sad, because I feel like my brows look very sad. So I just pop this on. I just really focus it in the middle of my brows. I'm going to go do the rest of my makeup off camera and I will be back to give you a review on this Mia Adora Call Me On Point Brow Pro Micro Tip Brow Definer. Now we're going to talk about this brow pencil. Like I said in the intro, Mia Adora reached out to me and they sent this to me, and I am very, very thankful that they did, because this is a really good brow product. I really do enjoy it. When you receive it in the mail, this is the packaging that it comes in. This is the front. It just says On Point Micro Brow Pencil. And then right here is just their social medias and what you can use to hashtag so they can find your posts. And then here is just a step-by-step on how to use the product and get perfect brows. And then on this side is just the ingredients, their support, website, and just saying that it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and the shelf life, which is 12 months, which I'll probably use this up within 12 months. So Mia Adora has like 2 websites where you can buy their products from. They have their own Mia Adora website, which I'll have links down below, and I'll have like the direct link for this brow product if you guys want to check it out. And then they also have their Amazon store. So this product does retail for $24.99. If you go to the Mia Adora website, it is currently on sale for $14.95. And if you go on Amazon, $14.95 is the price. There are 3 shades of this product. There's a light brown, a medium brown, and a dark brown. The light brown is probably best for blondes, or if you just have really light brown hair, or just like even like a dirty blonde type of color. The medium, I would say, is best for, again, light brown hair, or if you have like auburn hair. It kind of had like a reddish look to me. And then dark brown is the shade that I have. And this is best for if you have dark hair or black hair. I personally really like the dark because my brow hairs are pretty much black, and just you can tell my hair is a very dark brown. I just think this looks best. I was afraid if I went any lighter it would look too red on me, and I've been noticing that a lot with my brow products, that if it's a light brown it looks very red on me, so I have to go for like the darkest brown that I can find. This brow product is really good if you want natural, fuller looking brows, which I think is very true. I love how this makes my brows look, especially the fuller part. I feel like my brows do look fuller. This is also great for all day wear. I have tested it all day, especially on Fridays, because Friday is just when I'm wearing makeup the longest for whatever reason, and my brows looked so good throughout the day when I did wear this all day the other day. And the application is super easy. This isn't very waxy. I feel like some brow products can be too waxy. Like there's a NYX one that's really waxy and it's like you're tugging your skin and it hurts. This is very creamy. I did notice though that if you do go in with a heavy hand, that it can get smudgy and just too much. You have to use a very light hand with this product. But otherwise, I really love this brow product. It is really good. I will definitely be repurchasing this in the future. It's amazing. If you guys want to check it out, like I said, I'll have a link down below. I also have a 20% off discount code. If you guys would like to use that, it is right here. I do not get anything from this discount code, but if you guys would like to use it just to save some money, then go right ahead. And that is it for this video. Thank you again so much, Mia Adora, for sending me this. I really do love this product. It is really good, and you guys should definitely go check it out. I think you will all really like it as well. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below, or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.